Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal. I'm Uncle Al. And Lily, too. Hey, kids. Uncle Al's going to go show you what happens. I'm working the camera, right? Yep. Okay. Hope you can see that. That's me. And I'm promoting Will. You can see that. Okay. That's me. And fake YouTube channels. Now, people were asking me this question. Let's see if we get that up. Yeah, right here. Okay, Uncle Al, I got it. World's greatest idiot, Uncle Al. I think it's world's greatest idiot. Uncle Al, do you know that he said Asian? Yes, I did, Lily. New Zealand? Yes. I've been reading this, Uncle Al. Are you sure this guy isn't a racist? I don't think so. This is more like anti. See the rest of it? It looks like a page book from Antifa, and I don't think Hoople's cat or Bug Out Brad is a racist. It's a pretty good rant. Yes, it is, Uncle Al. It's a really good rant. But I think this guy's lost his mind. Doesn't he know that YouTube's purging trolls and racists and hate speech? And I think this falls under it, Uncle Al. Yes, Lily, let me show you the camera. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I even noticed it. I'm a puppet. Okay, Lily, you can read this on my site. This is Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. You can see that. Okay, thank you, Lily. Gotta put the camera back on. Thank you very much. Catch you later. Okay, we all seen that, which was kind of fun. I do like rants, and it's a pretty good rant. I don't think Bug Out Brad or Hoople's cats are racists, but whatever this person, world's greatest idiot's writing about, this rant looks like a page book from Antifa. So I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway, I grabbed the bag. I told you I'd go check out what I could buy for $1. And I got this one. All right, really good. Only cost me $1. I did find the Mexican one, black beans. It's in a pouch, refried, for $1. I got my favorite mashed potatoes. Don't forget, this month is mashed potato month. Instant mashed potatoes. And we always wanted to buy in a 55-pound sack. And yes, I did find another of these in this flavor. I am going later on. Check out the 99-cent store. See if we get something else to send to our friend Lana of AK Fat. I still have to send the stuff to Cheryl, but it's still fairly hot and Uncle Al's still sick. So anyway, let me grab my cards. No, we don't need that one. Okay. Please check out these people. They're really good people. Lori just put out a video. So did Irish Colleen, Detroit Prepper. Andrew got to stop doing the lawn equipment. Our friend Hubble's cat right here. He's not a racist. Jordan Jakenberg and Nathaniel 4071. He's our friend. And always promote his channel. Again, Bug Out Brad and Hubble's cat are not racist. There might be. I hope so. I'm moving. Okay, we're back on board. Anyway, kids, my friend Hubble's cat is not a racist. He may be loud, he might be witty and curt and insulting, never a racist and never a troll. Okay, Palmetto prepared. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, DUI Farm, fun. Go check her out. David Lyman, go check out his channel. Really like it. It's really good. Prepping with in Progress, a really good channel. Manifestation of Imagination, that's Reed's channel. I had a heck of a time putting in the new circuit breakers. DUI Solar Homestead. Now, yesterday Uncle Alan's house was half dark. Why? Because two of my circuit breakers failed on me. And I found out they were 5s and they should have been 240s. And when it got hot, they overheated and then blew up. So I had to rewire everything, take off the panel, put in the new breakers at $50 a pop. Not cheap, kids. Okay, and don't forget, this is the month of September, which is instant mashed potatoes. And you should already have 250 of canned goods, 75 to 750 in dry goods, 250 in canned goods in pounds, 300 in bulk food in pounds, and 365 gallons of water per person. This is per person, kids, for 1 year. Now, everybody was thinking about that comment that I made about my face. Yeah, that was me saying that, but you have to understand, I had 2 strokes. If I take off my hand, you can see it. Take off the glasses. This side of my face had palsy. Right down here, my skull was cracked. I didn't look too well, and I didn't look too hot either. I still suffered the effects of it. Not because I'm Asian. That wasn't the ugly point. The ugly point, my face looked like it got stomped by a bull. 1,000 pounds. It wasn't pleasant, wasn't pretty, but I survived. Okay? Didn't make me handsome either. Okay, don't forget to start off with this. It's real easy. You want to start off with a 3-day supply followed by a 7-day, 14-day, and stuff. This morning we had a really good talk with Will. Sorry, this is slowing up. Just me and the machine's old. Okay, and we have our friends GM Survival, Happy Prepper, and Coursera trainers. Now I know Steve from a long time ago. And we won't forget Wayne of West Wind Survival. Please check out his channel. He did a really good video on propaganda, so please check it out. And sorry, Wayne, I didn't want books to be all bounced around in the box. That's why I put in the shredded paper. And again, our friend Hoople's cat. I've been watching Hoople's in the beginning, long time ago. And then we got our usuals: LS Prep for It, Wasteland Prepping, GM Survival, Kalis Enoch, really good video, Diebulfrog Homestead, and Coursera Trainers Angry Pirate News. These people I know, and I always back 100%. Now it's getting a little hot. Sorry. because I still have to put the toilet back on the pipe. I unclogged the pipe. I'm getting old. I still got to work a little bit on the AC, and I got to work a little bit on the whatchamacallit, the toilet system. Toilet's fine. It's in my bathtub because the closet now bathroom is really small. So I got to lift up the toilet, pick it up, hover it, put it over the pipe, rebolt everything. Not an easy job. Try that in your own closet. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Go check out my last video. Really good. Also funny as hell. I should take that down because it is racist, that rant, but it's so good. It's like everything that Antifa teaches you is in that. And if you try to bring that up in a court case, somebody's going to go to jail. I'm sorry. It's kind of pitiful. But it's kind of stupid too. I like it. I might keep it up for a couple of hours. And I might not keep it up any more than that. But anyway, kids, like I said, go check out my last video. It's pretty funny. Go read the comments. And yeah, it's kind of hilarious. So I'll catch you later. Sorry, we ran a little over. Bye, kids.